based here in Atlanta, Georgia. We have about 400,000 square feet total amongst our facility here in Georgia and in Pennsylvania. Employ about 150 to 200 people depending on how busy we are. Have 8 brands currently under our umbrella. Also do a lot of contract manufacturing for third-party brands that are in our industry. We're one of the few manufacturers that make our own products. We're vertically integrated on bringing in raw materials from qualified sources in China, India, and Europe. We also are one of the few places that do both tablets, capsules, powders, and liquids. Most people just concentrate on either solid dose tablets and capsules or powders. We pretty much handle the whole gambit. We run our products through approximately 20 different tests for everything from microbials, heavy metals, purity, identity, as well as doing testing during manufacturing. Once again, most people in our industry don't make their own stuff, probably 95%. They sub it out to a manufacturer such as Hi-Tech. We happen to manufacture our own stuff as well as other people's stuff, so therefore we can control every step of the manufacturing process. We have been audited 16 times by the Food and Drug Administration, and we are the only company I know of in the industry, as well as the drug industry, that have a perfect batting record. We're 16 for 16 with no what they call 483s, which would be if you go to a restaurant where you see, the 100 on their thing, we've never gotten even a 99. We've always gotten the 100. A lot of big places such as Pfizer, Merck, they usually bat 25 to 50% in not, scoring a 100 when they get audited. Hi-Tech difference is, unlike a lot of places, a lot of the kids that their mothers, fathers have worked here for 15 years or so, come up here, when school's out. It's part of that family atmosphere that, I have tried to instill here. I believe that, most people have, decided that they were going to sink or swim with the success of Jared Wheat, since I am the figurehead of Hi-Tech, but they've really become vested in Hi-Tech and not just a job to go to. It is the career that they have chosen to do. A lot of people have been with other good companies, but a lot of big companies, don't have an open door policy with their CEO like I do, where anybody can just come in at any given time. You can call me any given time. I pick up the phone. So I think it's some of that one-on-one. My other executives have come with that same approach, so that way, you have everyone in the company that does not feel like there's a upper class and a lower class. We're all trying to pull the same wagon. I always tell them, I'll go out and load the wagon in sales. Y'all figure out how to carry it in production, in different parts of the business.
The thing that's different about Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals is it's more of a family environment than it is, quote unquote, a corporate office setting. For example, there's probably 6 or 7 husband and wife combinations that work here. That's not including boyfriend, girlfriends. We have a room kind of designated here that if your kids are sick and you want to bring your kid into work versus, staying home missing a day, you can bring your kid into work. It's more of a family-based environment. There is no quote-unquote strict dress codes. The owner feels the more comfortable you are, the more you're going to be productive. It's a very close-knit group where it's, 5 o'clock, the doors don't shut. We may sit around till 7, 8 o'clock at night, just kind of laughing and joking, talking about the day, talking about the week ahead. So it's more of a family environment than it is a quote 9 to 5 job, which is a typical supplement company.
It starts at the top with Jared and filters down through. We try to instill Christian values and just a family atmosphere. I mean, there's no way to say it. It's more just we're just one big family. People recognize that when they come to apply for the job. They recognize the family atmosphere and they want to be a part of it.